I wanted to show a real-world example of an associative array in Bash. And this is my clipboard script, and I did a YouTube video on it a while back, and I'll just launch my clipboard. I put in random digits there just as an example to clear out my clipboard. But before, with my clipboard little utility script, it would show the numbers to the left. And kind of ridiculous. I just really want to launch it as fast as possible. And so I opted to do letters instead. And this way, I didn't have to bring my fingers all the way up to the numbers at the top row. Very efficiency oriented. So I've talked about the script before in the other video, but this is how I did this because copy Q reads numbers. It does numbers instead of letters, but I want to do letters as the input. So I decided to do an associative array to accomplish this. And you accomplish it by declare -A. And this, it can be done this way, and you've probably seen it this way, where it's done square brackets equal. And so you got your key and then the value. But I just did this because this is also acceptable. You can do key value, key value, etc. So both those are possibilities. I'm just going to delete that because it's bugging me. And you can loop through both the key and the value. You put an exclamation there, and you do the @ symbol. And another way to loop through all the values in an array is the asterisk. And so here, as you can see in my little, when I run it, you can see the I is the key. See, it's echoing out that in green. And so that's the key, is the letter. And I'll just close it. And then here's the value. And so it's echoing out the value as well. This read means show, and I'm looping through the copy Q values. And then I like fix up the data here. Need to do another echo, and then I took out a line. And if I did not do sort here, the associative array, it would print it out in reverse. So it would be J through A instead of A through J. And so then I select my item. And let's select C. And that's my selected item. And so then we do ops. We go back, as our associative array. And we have a key. The key then is, C, the third one down. And then, so what we end up doing is, so we put the key in here, and then that gives us the value of whatever that is. The key is what I input, and you see that up above, the white letters in the array. And then I get the value here. And so then copy Q is able to use the number, once again, that corresponds to the clipboard item that I want to copy. So we paste it. And I was really happy with how I got this set up. Minimize that. And let's go up a little bit. I run this clipboard launch in my rc.lua, also window manager is what I'm running. And so, I just toggle it floating in the middle of my window, and it's going to be on the current tag, because otherwise URXVT is going to go to the terminal tag. So that way it just pops up wherever I am, and I can just access that clipboard. And I'm able to toggle it here. I'll loop through all the window items, and if this name, window title, exists, then I kill it. But if not, then I launch it. So that creates a toggle. And I love it. So happy about it.